Welcome, you're watching the Bear Anchor Academy channel where talent is born. In today's episode, we will add a special touch to your home. Let's do some DIY. First, get some old plates of different shapes and sizes. Sand the surface using Sandpaper Grit 800. Ensure there's no more dust or oil on the plates before spray painting. Spray primer on each surface, followed by white as undercoat color. Next, spray on red, yellow and orange, mixing the colors randomly. Press the plastic bag onto the plates to create an uneven surface, forming a pattern. Try using another plate using candy blue and candy purple. And repeat the same step as before with plastic bag. Allow to dry. If this is a gift to someone, write to your personal message to create design with a marker pen. You can display it as home decoration or gift to someone special. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye bye.